Hello, dear students. We're going to continue with our work, right? Remember that you must have your books with you while we're working, right? Let's start with module number 1, breaking news. Do you know what breaking news means? Do you remember what it means? Well, it is information that is being received and broadcast about an event that has just happened or just began, right? So that is the topic of the first module, right? We have world events vocabulary here. Let's see. We have technological invention, volcanic eruption, huge tropical storm, mine collapse, earthquake, and tsunami. Are you familiar with this vocabulary? Are you familiar or not? Yeah, sure. I knew you were familiar with most of those words, right? So let's continue with activity number 2. We have look at the events in the pictures and complete the sentences with. We have hit, rescued, launched, caused, and erupted. Do you remember what launched mean? What does it mean? It is to begin something, such as a plan, or introduce something new, such as a product. It is to send something out. For example, now that we are facing this problem about the coronavirus disease, we hope scientists launch the vaccine to cure the coronavirus disease. Or we hope scientists launch the treatment for the coronavirus disease, right? That is the meaning of launch. So now we're ready to complete the sentences. In number 1 says, in 2002, the Microsoft Corporation, the first ever tablet PC. Please give me your answer, Vanya. Yes, you, Vanya. Okay, very good. Launched. Number 2. In 2010, 33 men were from a collapsed mine in the Atacama Desert, Chile. Give me your answer, Alejandra. Good, Alejandra. Rescued. Number 3 says, in 2005, Hurricane Katrina, massive flooding and loss of life in New Orleans, USA. Give me your answer, please, Gabriel. Okay, very good, Gabriel. Cost. Number 4, we have in 2010, how do we read these words? Kind of difficult, right? Let's try. In 2010, the Eyjafjallajökull volcano in Iceland, and people had to evacuate. Give me your answer, please, Adriana. Okay, good. Erupted. Great. And the last one, we know what goes in this blank. In 2011, a 9.0 earthquake hit Japan, followed by a huge tsunami that killed thousands of people. Great. Remember that while we're working, you have to check your answers. Check them, please. Check your answers. And as I told you before, use a green pen or a green color, right, to check your answers. Check all of them, please, all of them, right, all of them. Did you check? Okay, good, very good. Good. Remember that we have to work together, right? Next activity. Here says, match the events below to the pictures. We have picture A that talks about a tablet PC. What do you think goes here? Give me your answer, Stefano. Good, Stefano. Technological invention. B. Give me your answer, please, Camila. Good, Camila. Mind collapse. Letter C. Give me your answer, Rodrigo. Good, Rodrigo. Huge tropical storm. Letter D. Give me your answer, Valeria. Good, Valeria. Volcanic eruption. E. Give me your answer, please, everybody. Of course, right? Earthquake, tsunami. Good. Remember to check your answers with green pen or green color, right? Don't forget that, please. Next activity. Here says, over to you. Close your books and say a few things you remember about the events that have happened in the 21st century so far. Do you remember? Please stop the video for 30 seconds and try to remember the events and tell them to yourself. 30 seconds, go. Okay, so good, very good. You remembered a lot. Very good for you. You have good memory. Now we're going to continue with our work, right? Page number 8 in your books, please. We have volcano chasers. Volcanic eruptions, we're going to talk about it, right? Here says, in the picture, we can see that it is a volcanic eruption, right? It says, rocks and lava erupt out of the crater. You know what crater is, right? Okay. We have ash and gas fly up into the atmosphere. Lava pushes through vents in the side of the volcano. Pushes through the vents, says here. What are vents? Well, in fact, this word is in plural. The singular form is vent. And a vent is a small opening that allows the lava to leave the crater, to leave the volcano, right? Here we have an activity about reading, right? You are going to read this text. Read it carefully, please. Stop the video. For how much would it take you to read this text? Maybe 3 minutes. So stop the video for 3 minutes and you are going to read carefully, right? Well, now that you have read the text, we're going to answer some questions. Activity number 2 says, read the text again. Well, if you need to read the text again, do it. And for questions 1 to 5, choose the best answer, A, B, C, or D. Justify your answers. Let's start. Number 1. Please give me your answer, Jamile. Number 1 says, please, Jamile, read. Martin reads can't stay near a volcano for a long time because... Jamile, your answer is A, B, C, or D. Good. A. It's bad for his equipment. Number 2. Volcano chasers have to be... Give me your answer, Alejandro. Good, Alejandro. Patient. Great. 3. 3 says, when the Iflaco volcano erupted, it was difficult for Martin to... Give me your answer, please, Fabio. Good, Fabio. Protect himself from flying rocks. Number 4. It seems that Martin... Give me your answer, Naomi. Good, Naomi understands the risks he's taking. Good. And number 5. Give me your answer, Kevin. Yes, you, Kevin. Give me your answer. Okay, good. A volcano is sometimes too dangerous to photograph up close. Very good. You did a good job. Well, see you in the next video, right? We're going to continue working.